fall off the bone oven baked ribs. These are slapping, oh so tender. You do not need any teeth to eat this meat right here. I'm trying to let you know, so delicious, so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's get into it. So of course you want to begin with a slab of ribs. I am using some baby back, but you could use spare ribs if that's what you like. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this membrane on the back side of the rib. Get you a knife and kind of pry it up a little bit. Grab a napkin and remove it. That membrane acts like a barrier when it comes to the seasoning, and we want to make sure these ribs are very tasty, so that membrane gots to go. So get rid of it. Once you have that taken care of, we are gonna hit it with a little bit of oil. I know some people like to use mustard as a binder. You can use that if you choose to do so, but oil works just as fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and massage that into both sides. In a second here, we are gonna season these ribs up proper. On the screen, I will have displayed everything you need to do so, and they will be in the description box as well for you to reference to. So you really want to make sure these ribs are well coated, everybody. Make sure the back side, the front side, the side, everything coated in this delicious seasoning right here. Of course, you want to pat it in, and just make sure it is looking well seasoned. So at this point, you want to have your oven preheated to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to cook these low and slow uncovered, everybody. We're going to let it do its thing for about 2.5 hours at 300 degrees uncovered. We want that internal temperature to reach about 200 degrees. That's when you know it is fall off the bone. Come on now. How beautiful is this? If you want, you can just bust down just like this without any sauce, but you know we gotta sauce it up, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my trusty brush, and I'm just gonna get some of my favorite sauce right over the top. And once we have that taken care of, we're actually gonna get this back in the oven on broil just for about 2 to 3 minutes. We want that sauce to get nice, sticky, ooey gooey, if you know what I mean. And this is the end result. Your eyes are not deceiving you. This right here is everything. All right, sometimes you ain't got access to a grill, you ain't got access to a smoker, but you do have a oven, and you can get some really amazing results right out of it. Trust and believe me, fall off the bone, so delicious, so amazing. Hope you guys all enjoyed watching today's video. Make sure you hit me with a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next video. Deuces.